How to insert a video inside text in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a video inside text in PowerPoint. Follow these steps. Create a new PowerPoint presentation. Delete the default layout on the slide. Insert a rectangle shape. Any color will work. Next, we'll add WordArt. Insert WordArt and type the word of your choice. This could be the title of your presentation, report, or even a song. Resize the WordArt to make it as large as possible. Copy the WordArt and paste it to create a subtitle. This could be your name as the presenter, author, artist, or composer. Resize the subtitle and place it below the title. Now let's combine the elements. Select all the elements. Go to the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes, and select Combine. This will combine all the elements into one shape. Next, insert the video. Insert your video and resize it to cover the entire slide. Ensure the video plays automatically and loops. Go to the Playback tab, change the option from in click sequence to automatically. Check the box for loop until stopped. Finally, right-click the video and select Send to Back to place it behind your text. To test your output, press F5 to start the slideshow, or click the slideshow button at the bottom. And that's how to insert a video inside text in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.